Theodore M. Berry International Friendship Park is a major effort that opened in 2003, bringing a significant body of art to the park's collection.
It's a park that is about a number of themes. It's about international friendship and understanding, but it's also about man's relationship to nature. It's about our role in the world community, and it's about the diversity of world culture. One piece, Seven Vessels Ascending Descending, is all about man's relationship to the sun. The Crystalline Tower is about our relationship to nature, and in fact it has moving parts that move with the movement of the wind and make a sound. Virtually every piece of the park relates to these themes in one way or another.
Park officials say the benefits of the new park go beyond providing citizens another tie to nature and art. They maintain that parks spur economic development and help to maintain viability in urban areas.
That whole line along Eastern Avenue, which is now Riverside Drive, was just a desolate old dumping ground of just salvage parts. Well, we cleaned up that area, we put the park in. It's a 25-acre park, half-mile stretch. Eastern Avenue is now Riverside Drive. And just north of that are some beautiful condos. So that whole area has been uplifted because of the greenery of that park.